What is up, everybody? How you doing? How you feeling? What's happening? All right, enough of that. What's up, PBA squad? Hold up, I am not on my vlogging channel. Let me get it together. What's up, ladies and gents? How are y'all doing? How are y'all feeling? I hope that y'all are having a beautiful day, beautiful night, whenever you're watching this video. Welcome to my channel. If you have never seen me before, my name is Asia. I have my primary channel called Punkyvsasia'S, and I have been uploading content on that channel for almost 4 years. That's right, almost 4 years. To some, it might not seem like such a long time, and to some, it may seem like, wow, 4 years? You've been consistent for 4 years? You've been uploading content for 4 years? And let me just say, it's been a long journey. I have definitely learned some things, and I did not have a niche on my primary channel at first, and honestly I didn't discover my niche until a few months ago, but honestly I have no regrets. I have learned so many things. I'm still learning different things when it comes to my channel, when it comes to life. So I'm just really excited to start this second channel. I do post vlogs on my primary channel. I did narrow my niche down to vlogs, and I have been vlogging on my primary channel for about 2 to 3 months now, and I really love vlogs. But I've decided, after talking to God, and now I have a second channel, which is this fashion trends channel. I'm so excited. I'm super lit. I have always had a sense of fashion, and honestly I love piecing different clothing items and accessories together, and just honestly doing my own little thing when it comes to my fashion sense. I do love clearance rack shopping, thrift rack shop, bruh. I really enjoy piecing together different clothing items, accessories, shoes, socks, etc. I love casual fits, I love dressy fits, I love, you know, just lounging around or getting cute. This channel will consist of try-on hauls, lookbooks, fashion challenges, periodic giveaways, and that's not all. Can I get a drum roll, please? And me setting my own trends, as well as discussing, you know, the current fashion trends, if you are one of those that are interested in keeping up with the most current fashion trends as well. So if fashion is something that is very important to you, if fashion is something that you are super lit, super hype about, and you want to stay tuned for future content on this channel regarding all things considering fashion, please do so. Y'all, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Stay tuned for my future uploads. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to see what lit content that is gonna be in store. Let's put these bomb fits together. Like, let's start talking about this fashion. Like, let's do the daggone thing. Like, let's do this fashion, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm just so excited to share my little outfit hacks and things of that nature, my little fashion hacks. Wear something that makes you feel good. All right, and if you're interested in vlogs, be sure to click my lovely subscribe icon for Punkyvsasia'S, my primary channel, and watch those vlogs, and make sure you have those notifications on for my primary channel as well. And